Head go! We're Maui and Trizzy, cruising our way over to the Bahamas with the European line MSC Cruises. Along with us is our family. From the port of Miami in Florida, we took a 3 nights, 4-day cruise that involved a stop at the capital of the Bahamas, Nassau. In this video, we'll be specifically sharing our day trip off the cruise around the city so you can have an idea of planning your day in Nassau. We'll separate this Bahamas series into 2 other videos. One is about our complete cruise itinerary, and the other one will be a review of the MSC cruise and its private island, Ocean Cay. We hope our video will act as the ultimate guide for you, so hit the subscribe and bell to get notified on our releases. Our first full day on the cruise was when we reached Nassau. We ate breakfast at the buffet, beating the morning rush. Our ship had docked, and in the distance, we can see the infamous hotel and water park, Atlantis. We had done a Bahamas cruise more than 10 years ago and remember how exhilarating it was zooming down the water slides there, so if you wish to spend most of your time there, the MSC cruise offers a paid package that includes transportation and admission. Our bodies can't handle that level of thrill anymore, so instead we planned a day of free activities to visit landmarks on Nassau that are walking distance from the port. So once the family was ready, we left the ship with our proper IDs and room key. Walking out of the port area was busy, festive, and colorful.
So cute.
It's a warm welcome into the gorgeous Bahamas.
We made it to Nassau!
Our first stop was a 10-minute walk to Parliament Square, a pink government building that consists of the Senate, the House of Assembly, and the Supreme Court of the Bahamas. "15 minutes away from Parliament Square is Queen's Staircase. The walk involves some slight incline, and take this as a warning to bring water, a hat, a hand fan, and a cooling towel during the warmer seasons when it's hot and humid. Thankfully, our Google Maps direction led us to the top part of the stairs, so we didn't have to climb up the stairs to experience the 64 steps. However, you'll have to be careful walking down, as the stairs are steep with small tread space. The Queen's Staircase was named after the Queen of the United Kingdom, Queen Victoria. It was once originally 66 steps, hand-carved by free men of African descent that connected Fort Fincastle to the rest of Nassau. On the side of the stairs is a trickling waterfall. Continuing on from the bottom of the steps, we walk next door to Fort Fincastle, one of 3 historic forts in Nassau. Usually, there's a $3 fee to enter the fort, but it was under renovation when we visited, so we just walked around the exterior, where we came across several cotton trees. Since this fort was used for protection from potential threats such as pirate invasions, there were old cannons on display. Heading back towards the port, we plan to visit the straw market and other shops along Bay Street. The straw market was a space with many local vendors selling souvenirs, some being handcrafted. Our group size depleted as the weather took a toll on them, so they went back to the air-conditioned ship while Maui and I quickly strolled through Nassau's bustling main road of Bay Street, checking out the souvenir shops and the building's architecture. From here, we made our way through town, seeing the many restaurants and bars available. There's a Pirates of Nassau museum if learning more of the history of the island and being indoors is preferred. But our main destination was to stop at Graycliff Chocolatier, and in doing so, we encountered a street vibrantly decorated with umbrellas. The Graycliff Chocolatier welcomed guests with live performers outfitted in their Junkanoo costumes, hand beating on drums. The factory offered free chocolate tasting and lots of options of sweets to purchase. A tour of the factory is $10 per person, where you can make your own chocolate bar for an additional cost. Graycliff is also a hotel, restaurant, cigar factory, winery, and moonshine distillery all in the same area. After an eventful tour around Nassau, we returned to the ship for a quick lunch at the buffet, changed into some beachwear, and headed back with the family to Junkanoo Beach. Off the ship, we're going to spend about 2 hours at the Junkanoo Beach, which is hopefully just a 20-minute walk. From the ship, it was a 30-minute walk, only because we chose a further spot on the beach to avoid the crowded area. And we also wanted to grab some deep-fried conch from Twin Brothers, located in the Fish Fry, an area popular for its many restaurants, beach shacks, and street vendors. Conch is a sea snail, and according to Food Network and many other TV networks, Twin Brothers is where you need to try some fried conch.
Got the goods. Conch secured.
For half a dozen, it was about $5, and they accepted US dollars. The battered conch was bigger than we imagined, with a hint of spice providing the Caribbean heat that we were looking for.
How is it? Hot? Are still hot?
We ate this while sunbathing at Junkanoo Beach. This beach is the closest one to the ship, meaning it gets crowded with visitors, but if you prefer a less busy area of the beach, continue walking down towards the Fish Fry to find a more secluded spot. Beach chairs can be rented here for an additional cost. We got back to the ship just in time to get ready and make it to our 5:30 p.m. dinner at the Green Wave restaurant. Just like most evenings on our 3-night cruise, we watched a musical performance at the Chora Theater and the La Cabaret Rouge Lounge. But for this one night, we danced the night away before heading to bed. 30 minutes counts as dancing the night away, right? We only spent a few minutes on the dance floor, and then we're tapped out. Our dancing legs can't hold us up throughout the night like it used to. Thanks for watching Maui and Trizzy. Don't forget to subscribe for more Bahamas and beyond. Thanks!